Hello and welcome to English Biotalk. My name is Anna.
And I'm Leo. We are so happy you are here to practice English with us today.
In this video, we are going to learn about daily routines. We will practice sentences you can use every single day to describe your life.
That's right, Anna. We will talk about the morning, the afternoon, and the evening. This is a perfect lesson for beginners who want to improve their speaking and listening skills.
We will speak slowly and clearly. The most important part of this lesson is for you to speak. After we say a sentence, you will have time to repeat it out loud.
So find a quiet place where you can practice. Don't be shy. Speaking is the best way to learn a new language. Your job is to listen carefully and then speak.
Are you ready? Let's begin.
Part 1. The morning routine. Let's start with the first part of the day, the morning.
Our first sentence is, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Now listen and repeat after Anna.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Excellent work. Let's do the next one.
My alarm clock rings.
Your turn. Repeat the sentence.
My alarm clock rings.
Wonderful.
I turn off my alarm.
Listen and repeat.
I turn off my alarm.
Great job.
I get out of bed.
Now you say it.
I get out of bed.
Perfect. After getting out of bed, many people go to the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom.
Listen and repeat.
I go to the bathroom.
You're doing very well.
I wash my face.
Your turn.
I wash my face.
Fantastic.
I brush my teeth.
Repeat after Anna.
I brush my teeth.
Very good. Now let's talk about getting dressed.
I get dressed.
Your turn to speak.
I get dressed.
Well done.
I put on my clothes.
Listen and repeat.
I put on my clothes.
Excellent. Next is breakfast, the first meal of the day.
I make breakfast.
Your turn.
I make breakfast.
Great.
I eat cereal for breakfast.
Repeat after Anna.
I eat cereal for breakfast.
Wonderful job.
I drink a cup of coffee.
Now you try.
I drink a cup of coffee.
Perfect. Finally, it's time to leave for work or school.
I leave the house at 8 a.m.
Listen and repeat.
I leave the house at 8 a.m.
Fantastic. You have now completed the morning routine. Let's take a short break before we continue.
Welcome back. Now, let's learn sentences for daytime activities. This is what you do after you leave your home.
Part 2. Daytime activities. First, let's talk about going to work or school.
I go to work by bus.
Your turn.
I go to work by bus.
Very good.
I arrive at work at 9 a.m.
Listen and repeat.
I arrive at work at 9 a.m.
Excellent. Now you are at work or school.
I start my work.
Your turn.
I start my work.
Great job.
I check my emails.
Repeat the sentence.
I check my emails.
Wonderful.
I attend a meeting.
Listen and repeat.
I attend a meeting.
Perfect. Around noon, it's time for lunch.
I have lunch at noon.
Your turn.
I have lunch at noon.
Great work.
I eat a sandwich and an apple.
Repeat after Anna.
I eat a sandwich and an apple.
Fantastic. After lunch, you go back to work.
I work until 5 p.m.
Now you say it.
I work until 5 p.m.
Well done then. It's time to go home.
I finish work at 5 p.m.
Listen and repeat.
I finish work at 5 p.m.
Excellent. That brings us to the end of the workday. All right. Are you ready for the next part? Let's talk about the evening.
Part 3, the evening routine. This is what you do when you get home.
I get home at 6 p.m.
Your turn to speak.
I get home at 6 p.m. I take off my coat and shoes.
Listen and repeat.
I take off my coat and shoes.
Great job. Now it's time to relax.
I relax on the sofa. I relax on the sofa.
Listen and repeat.
I watch TV.
Excellent. After relaxing, it is time for dinner.
I cook dinner.
You're doing so well.
I eat dinner with my family.
Repeat after Leo.
I eat dinner with my family.